Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we're talking about AI, and once again, artificial intelligence. And it's the word of the hour, and we're seeing it everywhere. But I think one of the things that Microsoft scored big here is because it is the first to really come out with all of these AI driven possibilities. The fact that it's partnered with OpenAI, the fact that it's already there where everybody else is still not talking about it much, especially Google, that we always think of as being such, an advanced company in terms of technology. And of course, Google did reply that they are working on their own AI stuff and so on. But Microsoft, I think, scores big here because we today was showing up that Google is the main engine everybody uses to go for search, and it is implemented in so many ways in phones and browsers and so on. But because we started talking about Bing and Bing's new AI-driven search, a little bit like a conversational AI like ChatGPT. A Bing search engine has soared in the searches and the results. It is now, for some reason, something that a lot of people find interesting. I did show you yesterday that in the Bing, you can actually go to bing.com/new and join a waiting list for the new Bing, which is the AI-driven Bing. And I think this is cool because I think what's happening here is that Microsoft is definitely scoring big and trying to get Bing, which is, and I will say it, for me, the most horrible of search engines. Not only is it horrible, I always change it on every browser usually. Because I hate the main page also, which is full of useless fluff of whatever. And now they're in the limelight. Suddenly, the spotlight's open. Suddenly, people are hearing, hey, Bing's got some AI. There's some artificial intelligence. I want to see this. I think Microsoft is scoring big with AI right now. I think this is interesting. And, let's not forget also that Google has everything to lose with AI because it isn't there. It might not do it well. We don't know exactly what it's going to do eventually. Plus, AI might actually make Bing as good, if not better, than Google search at some point. That is the direct hit for Google. That would be, terrible for them. And of course, Microsoft, which has, a Bing engine that has been always kind of in the bottom there. It's something we know it exists. If you're a Windows user, you've seen, Bing here and there show up and being pushed by Microsoft, but never was that big of a thing. But now Bing with AI in it, and then, of course, having the OpenAI partnership with Microsoft, I think this is looking good because for Microsoft, it's only good. They're not expecting anything special, so it only goes in the positive way, basically. So it's going to be interesting to see the future and how Microsoft drives this AI-driven capability, not just for Bing, but for every type of, product. And we talked yesterday about how about Windows 12 would be Windows AI. It's going to be an interesting future here, I think, for that reason. And we're going to see how Microsoft pushes things around in the next months and years. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.